Guys, welcome to 584, Find Customer Referee. This one's a little tricky. I did it ahead, but I think more of the trickiness is in like just the way that they're writing the question and more than anything, but still pretty straightforward question. So let's just dive right into it. We have our ID, right? Primary key of customers, and then the customer who has referred this customer, right? So we're dealing with like some kind of table where people are getting referred to something. So write a SQL query, reports the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with the ID equaling 2. All right, so once again, multi-line comment. Let's take that piece of info. That's important. So we do not want any of the customers that are referred by customer ID 2. Return the result table in any order. All right, let's take a look at this example. We only want the names, okay? So we only want the names. Cool. So okay, let's just start writing something. We're only selecting names, right? That makes sense. From the table called customer, where, right? All right, so here's the part. We do not want a customer with a referee ID equaling 2. So where select name customer where referee ID does not equal 2, right? Let's look at this example though. We have to make sure we're really careful here. So we have referee IDs of 2. So definitely from what we have right now, we definitely won't get Alex, and we won't get Mark, right? We should only be getting Zach right now. But are we going to get Bill, Jane, and Will? We should, right? You would think so. But remember, in MySQL, when you compare anything with null, you are not going to get a Boolean back, right? In MySQL, you will have true, false, and then you have unknown. So when you compare things to null, you will get an unknown back. So we have to account for that, right? Because judging from this output, we do want Will, Jane, and Bill to come back in our output table here, right? So why don't we say referee ID does not equal 2, or, right, referee ID is null. Why am I using or? Well, because we don't, if we do and, then that doesn't make any sense, right? No row here has both null and 2. I'm sorry, null and not 2. Or actually, null and, yeah, no, nothing here will have null and not 2 because, like I said, if you compare anything with null, you'll get unknown. Also, if with this logic right now, we will not get Zach, right? Because Zach is not null. So this needs to be an or here. I think I just made it more complicated than it is, but it's definitely or. So